Day 99. Let's pause and look back at everything since day 91. You covered the full RSI strategy, the idea behind it, the rule, the task, initialize with the symbol reference and the indicator, on data with the two thresholds and position checks on both sides, the exercise and the closing. A few things are worth double checking before you move on. RSI produces a number between 0 and 100, below 30 signals oversold, above 70 signals overbought. The strategy bets on a reversal in both cases. The symbol reference matters. You stored the result of adequity dot symbol in self dot underscore spy. That same variable goes into the RSI call, the portfolio check, set holdings, and liquidate. Everything uses it consistently. The position check on each side is not optional. Without it, buy orders stack on top of each other, and sell orders fire when there is nothing to sell. This strategy trades less frequently than the crossover. That is not a flaw. Waiting for an extreme before acting is the entire philosophy. Tomorrow is day 100. You are 1 day away from finishing 100 days of QuantConnect. That is day 99. See you at the finish line.